Welcome back, everybody, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back down here at the ramp. And our crew's decided he's going to help his buddy out and clean his boat up. Oh, no. No. Don't do that, bro. No. So our guys decided he's going to help Cap out and clean this boat up while they wait on Cap to come back. But he's literally taking the brush and, oh no, and dunking it in the salt water, using it to clean the boat. I don't know what Captain's going to do or think about this when he gets back. Maybe Cap won't even notice and just think, oh, my man's helping out, but oh my gosh, this is not what you guys want to do. Oh, the dangers of leaving somebody around a boat who, when it's not their boat and they don't know what's going on. They think they're helping out, and sometimes they are just making things worse. Even our captain pulling up's like, what the heck are you doing? Oh, man. Oh, no, the rider fell in, and now the ski's floating away, and we got a swimmer going after it. Oh, he's a little late, though. The skis hit the boat. Oh, man. We missed the shot a little bit on that one. So you see the guy who's walking up the ramp with the life jacket here. He was on the ski, 1 foot on the ski, 1 foot on the dock. The ski started to drift out. He took a swim. The ski then drifted over, and somebody jumped off the dock to go rescue the ski. But man, that was a wild scene of events right there. But this is far from done, because the white Jeep that has the trailer on it is the trailer for that ski. And my man's been at it for like 3.5 minutes now, trying to back this trailer down the ramp. This is probably one of the causes of that whole scene of events right there. Because if he would have just gotten this thing down already, none of that would have likely happened. But our jet ski rescuer, the guy in the blue trunks up here, he's walking up to have a talk with whoever's in the Jeep driving. Hopefully giving them some words of encouragement, maybe a little advice. And let's see if they could heed that advice and get this thing down the ramp and get this ski pulled. So our driver is going to reset this back up, and we're now probably pushing on minute 4 of this. And I try and keep these videos short for you guys. I mean, if you guys want to watch this guy try and back this up for 4 minutes, let me know in the comments. I mean, we can play the whole clip. But to me, I like to keep the action moving just a little bit. And I thought he started off pretty good, and now we're going the complete wrong way again. And it looks like we've got another vehicle that's going to start trying to back down this ramp on this side too, which is going to throw a monkey wrench into the whole thing. Because this guy's been all over the place, and he's not going to be able to do that if we get another vehicle on the ramp as well. Oh, he's tagging out. We see the driver's side door of the Jeep open. Our guy gets out. He's like, yeah, bro, I'm done. You do it. Let's see if the guy who rescued the jet ski has better luck. And yep, you can tell already, he's got the line down. He's going to be able to back this thing down like a pro. He probably should have just jumped in the Jeep from the beginning. Once again, if he'd have done that, nobody would have fell in. We wouldn't have had anybody swimming after a jet ski. But that's what makes this channel special, so maybe it was better for us that he didn't. But it looks like he might have dropped that jet ski trailer a little deep. So now I know when I drop a jet ski trailer, I usually only sink maybe the back half of the bunks. The front half of the bunks aren't even in the water because you just kind of ride the ski up or even just pull it up with the winch. But you can tell by the way the stern of the ski is kind of bouncing all over the place. It's got nothing to grip because the trailer is too deep. Which is going to make for an interesting time trying to actually get this thing set up on the trailer. And especially on a ski, typically you've got to get the bow of the ski up over the bow roller, and it's a whole lot harder to do that if the trailer's too deep. Because you really kind of do need the ski to ride those bunks up to get it set up right to do this. And based on the fact that they've been down here for a little bit, it tells me they are struggling. Because this part of the process right here should be pretty fast. I mean, from the moment my ski hits that trailer, it's only about another 30 seconds or so, and I'm pulling out of the water. But you can tell here, they're not really getting anywhere. Something's not setting up right for them. And typically what I'll do on something like this, when I got to get the bow over the roller, if I'm a little too deep, if there's somebody still on the ski, I'll have them step to the back of the ski and try and get it up where I can just kind of power it up. But I still think they're too deep to even up. Somebody's going to try something similar, it looks like. Yeah, they're going to put our guy back here, but the reality is all he's got to do is pull forward 6 inches or a foot in the Jeep, and this would set itself up. Because I can tell by the amount of effort he's putting into this, they're not even close to getting over the bow roller for some reason. That is funny. Just trying to have to sink the ski, putting all his weight on the back of it to try and get that bow up. Oh man, I have a feeling this is not going to work. Somebody's going to have to get up there and pull that Jeep forward. And our crew's still trying to go at it, and it looks like the guy in the white tank top, I see him running now, so he probably has figured this out, or somebody's told him, hey man, I need you to go ahead and pull the Jeep forward just a little bit. And just pulling it a little bit forward should fix this issue. Now our guy's in the Jeep, but this guy who's at the bow of the ski needs to get the heck out of the way. The last place you want to be is in between a vehicle and a trailer that's moving forward, or backward, it doesn't matter. So our guy's still all over the ski trying to bounce it. It looks like we're going to try pulling it. Oh man, move. Oh, I hate when I see people in between this. Somebody's going to get run over one day, man. And just don't put yourself between a tow vehicle and a trailer. Especially, we saw the guy who just got in the driver's seat of this Jeep. We saw his towing abilities earlier in this video already. And it's definitely not a place I'd want to be, especially in this situation. So we're pulling it forward just a little bit more, and we should be good right here. Because I can tell by the way he's bouncing on the back of the ski now, he's actually hitting the rear bunks when he's pulling down on it. So yeah, it looks like we got it set up now. Finally, but it took him a little while. I mean, we're a little over 7 minutes right now. So that's a 7-minute pullout, but that's not including the time that was wasted in the beginning of this. So the part you're not seeing was the couple minutes it took in the beginning when they were trying to back this trailer down with the Jeep, and that was unsuccessful. But in the end, it all comes together, and oh man, I thought Tank Top was going to finish the job out, but we're going to let Blue Shorts get back in here and get her done as he decides he's going to pull it out. It's funny though, everybody's still kind of staring like you're almost waiting for something more to happen. But no, it looks like we're not going to get any more, and that's going to be it. And they're going to get out of here, and I'll tell you what, guys, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.